Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to muffle the audio in Audacity. So first of all, open Audacity. Click OK and then drag and drop your audio into the Audacity. Now you can see my audio is imported. So I want to muffle that audio in Audacity. For example, now you can see the voice is normal. I'm gonna show you.
So here are 20 lessons I've learned in my 20 years in real estate. Real estate is a highly emotional transaction and you almost want to detach yourself.
So in order to convert that normal voice into muffled voice, you have to select all the audio, then go to the effect, go to the EQ and filters, select filter curve EQ, go to the presets and settings, go to the factory presets and select default. Now you can see we have to select between 1000 Hz and 2000 Hz. For example, I think this is 15,000 Hz, between 1000 Hz and 200,000 Hz. So select that and then go to the bottom and then select 6100 Hz there. Now click apply. And here it is. Now I will show you how it sounds like now.
So here are 20 lessons I've learned in my 20 years in real estate. Real estate is a highly
So you can see the audio is completely muffled.